tell her it is all your fault. You should have gotten rid of her. You don't you believe she is the reason why Pops is treating us like this? Huh? All of a sudden, everybody becomes family. See, they know we have a big happy family. Yeah.
So all of a sudden it's my fault.
It's your fault because I said, Skinny, you are the man. Do not make your father come in this house and take over. Look at it now. Look at it now.
So why you never stand up and tell Pops say, you know, I no yard boy in the house. What yard boy I do in the house? You know, see, look at man, look.
Of course I tried to tell Pops that. I tried to tell him. But every time I tried, what did he do? Shut me off. Disrespected me. And guess why? Because he knows that you are not standing by me as my man.
And you know what though? If you did a big woman for the house and wash, cook and clean, we wouldn't need a maid.
Oh really? Why should I be wash, cooking and cleaning and you didn't put a ring on my finger? Check it. Do you see a diamond ring on this finger? No. Then how dare you mention wash, cooking and cleaning? And even if the time and the place is not for me to wash and cook and clean in this house, I am not a maid. Okay?
No, my fault. My fault.
It's all your fault. It's all your fault, yes, Skinny.
Yes, it's my fault for true.
Get rid of her. I told you. This wouldn't have come to this.
So why you not get rid of her? When me go up there and me tell her say she have to leave. And when Pop said she must not leave. So what else me for do?
So what are you? Are you even a man? Sitting down talking about Pop said she can't leave. You're the man. Pops is whole. He got one foot in the grave. What are you saying? You should be a man. If I, as your woman, say, Skinny, I am not feeling comfortable anymore with this girl in my house, get rid of her. And you sitting down, say, I'm gonna do it tomorrow, today. She's still here. Look at what, look. Can't you see?
So what is the solution?
You're the one who should figure that one out, Skinny. Yes! You're the one who should be figuring that out.
So why everything me still not understand? Me can't comprehend, because at the end of the day, me there with you, me make sure say me there 24/7 stuff for true with you. Right?
You don't even have to be here 24/7. That is not the point. Oh God. Oh, that dead rat boy I get work. How he manage? The boy are up to something, you know. Who I am. What Miss Cookie mean say? Him a gardener, Pops. God. I make me look at Dolly house and mash up now. Had you really come here, son? If you can't look work, if you can't take when I work from me. Something up. And a poison touch kind of mash up my plants. I feel tell like one touch for Pops get rid of him. I feel that I plan cause Pops love me. So Pops will get rid of him too. Pay extra problem and crosses in this one also. Oh, Miss Cookie manage to come hire me man, which is fear man. For me and Skinny and Pops in a place. Can't manage life. I said, get rid of that girl. Yes, I hired her and I felt sorry for her and everything. No, your father is coming. Oh, she's a family and I am talking to you. Do not walk away from me when I'm talking to you.
Me tell her this man say she can't stay. Well, say I me to push her out.
Skinny. Babe, can't you see that stress doesn't look good on me? Look at me good. Can't you see this? Huh? You really want to have me at the house stressing me out? This girl is not a part of the family. Get rid of her. I asked you. I have you.
Me can't try, but me can't tell her say me I get rid of her. Me must say me no. Alright, me tell her. Me tell her say for true. Me tell her.
You're not being the man that I fell in love with, Skinny. You're not being the man.
Then what tells me for do? Me try, and every time I try, me don't know. Cause
it's like
cause she had
you
do her
don't
job
want
good.
me
She clean
anymore.
up. Look at the place clean and nice.
I
And
thought
we
we
get
were
breakfast.
planning
course.
to make a family, and we
When last we room ram?
why haven't we? Ain't it your fault, Skinny? Ain't it your fault?
So tonight.
Are you getting rid of that girl?
Alright.
Huh?
I feel me can't walk past it. I don't know.
You don't know. You want me to be comfortable enough to have you getting your pleasure and all, and I'm in the house. I'm unhappy.
But she do
I'm
her job.
sad. She's not.
You don't have to wash. You
Don't
don't have to
pick
cook.
up for
Are
her.
you who cook this man?
It doesn't even matter. I
You
didn't
feel
even
good?
enjoy the food. I didn't even enjoy the food. Did you see me eat?
So what do you wrong with
She
the food?
can't even cook.
What do you wrong with the
I
food?
made a mistake hiring
The
that
food was
Tracy.
nice. This year
I
you
made a
talk, man.
mistake. What?
Me not understand.
Stop
Sometimes I know
picking-
where you want to get.
Stop picking up for the girl.
Sometimes where you need to get.
And I
And
need
that
her?
way.
Are you saying that I need her?
I'm not saying
Are
that
you
you need her.
saying
I'm
that-
just saying that you don't have to wash, cook and clean.
I didn't have to do that even before she came here. Because I'm not a maid. And as you can see, we are not in the same class. Okay?
So why it's a problem?
It's a problem because she's not doing her job and she's being disrespectful. Plus, she's turning Pops against us. But you're too busy. You're too busy picking up for her and being a boy under your father that you don't even see the truth. You can't even see the reality of it.
I see and hear everything. I see me
You
say
can't
me,
even-
I see.
What did you see?
I see that it's getting over exaggerating. It's like
really?
it's like overexposing the whole situation. Like she's not that bad. It's just the guy that he is supposed to be on the outside. She's on the inside. The guy, what him same name again? Raj.
I don't know. I don't know what
whatever
his
him
name
name.
is.
But outside him fi stay enough in the house.
I
That
am-
me I try to show. And then pops now me not yo. I
I
understand.
agree with you, babe. He shouldn't be in the house. But my problem is this girl that has been in the house, not doing her job. Not doing her job. You and Pops behind her.
Me?
She even forgot my peanut butter the other day and I didn't even hear you telling her.
Who me I tell her?
What?
I never there store to.
It doesn't matter, she's a maid. I shouldn't even been at the store in the first place. What do I look like to you? Walking around searching for goods when I have a maid. She's the one who's supposed to walk around and follow the list and pick up everything I need. And you didn't even said to her
Spend too much
that
time.
she should have listened to me. Me, the woman of this house.
A two woman in our house. One a maid and one a...
Hey!
So, me not understand.
Wow! Okay. Oh, really? Two women in this house. Are you gonna open your mouth and tell me that there's two women in this house? How dare you! How dare you!
Why you have to make it look so?
How dare you!
Why you have to make things
Wait,
look
what
so?
are you even trying to say? What are you trying to
Well,
say?
I'm just saying that
Huh?
the maid is here and you are here.
You said two
The maid
women
have her
in the.
job.
You said there's two women in this house. Don't ever let me hear you say that again.
It's not like me and her there are
Skinny.
not like that.
Skinny.
She
You
not
see?
to look.
She's
She not
skinny.
to entice me.
You see, if you don't want to get the wrong side of me that you have never really gotten before, cause trust me, you don't want to get it. Don't you dare mention to
I
me
have no interest
that
in
there's
chasing.
two women in this house. She's a girl, she's a maid. I'm the only woman in this house.
Yeah, overexposure thing. Cause
I'm the
I know
only woman in this house.
me not have no eyes for her. me not mess her, me not fantasize, me not nothing at all. I'm just here trying to be the man for you.
Oh,
The
really?
one for you.
You know what? I don't even care. What I'm concerned about is her not doing her job and her trying to disrespect me and behaving as if me and her are on the same level. That's what I am concerned about. Okay? She don't know her place in this house. Because you and your father treats her like family. I should hold her hand around the table. I should walk her.
What a bombshell.
And if you think I'm gonna accept that girl in this house, you and your dad are crazy and delusional. I will never accept it. I will never accept it. So figure it out.
Yeah, we are. Come on in. What you feel, Yadu? Try my laugh. What you feel?
We look like me,
Up here, they do your
I'm
mom.
gardening.
Box you done, boy. Garden.
You know, no manners, you know, how you go put your hand in my face now?
Garden.
You know, realize that my hand is dirty. If my hand go in your face and germs that pick up on your face.
So your hand dirty, you then left up here. Ooh, make you come up here, boy, you come to work.
They tell us you're not going to get away with it. I set for you.
Yeah, set for me.
This is it now. This is snare.
I sneer.
You fall in night.
You feel say you're better than me up here?
No, sir, I'm not bad. I'm mistress, to show you where I'm going. You're mistress.
Hey, mistress, we show me where I'm going.
You don't need it. You don't have work for it.
Me not work for you. Wait till Pops find out how you really get me. I'll tell lie pa you, you know. I bet me call police pa you.
You realize me and Pops are general?
Yeah, and Pops are general. Pops knows you went thief before.
I just plant some grass and say,
You me kick up everything, man. Where you they come up here for come for? You they go left here, you know. Why we can't roll in other house here?
I'm trying to earn some money to buy my phone back. Huh? What's wrong with that?
You don't want a phone, me and you now go up here. And me alone for up here.
So what you going to?
You mean want me go on? So your bad mind. You know see it? A bad oh you the more a bad mind if you come here so. Because you don't need it up here to how we can't manage in the one house.
B, no me one did there. No me that try to set to life, but no me one did there first.
Election up long time and you lose your seat.
So for your bad mind work.
Election up long time and you lose your seat.
Yeah, this time work.
Ooh.
Yeah, this time work.
Go see. Ooh. I go last in this house here, boy. Watch you go.
Go back, run this way.
We go see who. No, make me have nothing. We go see who. See, you can't wheel me up in this. Watch and see.
I'll go on there. If you don't even know, say me. I rule of you all of this, I go on and say, I set this girl. And use yourself there and watch the program. Yeah. That's a car planting grass. Yeah.